Never start from a blank slide. With Grunt's shared templates, you get quick access to pre-built content, best practice layouts, and inspiration, all right inside PowerPoint. In this video, you'll learn how to find and insert templates in your company folder, save your own templates and images in your personal folder, and explore pre-made templates in the Grunt Library. Shared templates is an optional add-on. If you don't see your company folder in templates, contact your customer success manager. Your company folder holds templates prepared for you. Images, slides, Grunt objects like charts or visual grids, or even full presentations. Filter by type, use the search bar, or browse to find the template you are looking for. To use one, just select it and click Insert. The slide or object drops straight into your deck, already styled with the correct fonts, colors, and layout. You also have a personal folder where you can keep your own reusable work. To save a presentation as a template, select multiple slides in the Slides pane, right-click, and select Save as Template. For a single slide, you right-click the slide background, and to save a Grunt object, you right-click on the object. Select the folder, give it a name, and it's stored for future use. Templates can also be uploaded directly from your File Explorer. Just click the More Options menu on a folder and choose Upload Templates from the drop-down list. You can upload images too, like logos or graphics, so they're always available when you build presentations. Either drag an image from your File Explorer into your Templates folder, or open the More Options menu on a folder and select Upload Image. Alongside your company and personal folders, you'll also find Grunt's built-in library. These are polished, ready-to-use templates you can adapt instantly. They're a great way to start quickly and keep your slides looking professional. That's shared templates. Insert approved company slides, save your own favorites, and explore Grunt's pre-made designs, all without leaving PowerPoint.